Alright, here guys, today I have a Rookies and Stars 2013 40-pack card. So I'll just open this real fast and get this done with. Sorry if you hear noise in the background, that's my brothers, so don't get any cards. Alright, so let's get this over with fast. Oh. There we go. Ooh, Christian Ponder, man, I already saw that. Alright, I didn't want to get tops because it's got expensive and stuff. So we got a Michael LaShore, Doug Morin, Tom Barley, got him on my fantasy team. So we got LaShawn McCoy, saw him against the Redskins, he was crazy. Wes Welker, new Bronco, cool. Darrell Richardson, don't know too much. MJD had him last year for fantasy, man. Screwed him. Steven Jackson, got him for fantasy. Matt Ryan, oh, that was like something cool about that one. Matt Ryan, dummy. Ace Sanders, rookie card. First rookie. Marcus Lattimore. This guy dropped, but I liked him. DeMarco Murray. Russell Wilson, man. Andrew Luck and Russell Wilson. That's crazy. Alright. Rashard Mendenhall from this. Yeah, new card. Danny Amendola had a groin injury. Alright, let's see. Michael Crabtree, he's injured for the year. Matt Sharp pulled a comeback against the San Diego Chargers. RG3, so I got Andrew Luck, Russell Wilson, and RG3 in the same pack, and Christian Ponder. Big fan of Minnesota Wolves. Minnesota Vikings, I mean. I'm thinking about basketball. Alright. The other half, let's see. I'm cutting things. Alright. That's pretty cool though. I got those three, RG3, Andrew Luck, and Russell Wilson for tops. And let's see, I got Jimmy Graham, AJ Green, Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson Jr., Vincent Brown, Ray Rice, Mark Sanchez, Daquel Jackson, Colin Kaepernick, man, stud. Alright, we got a Dante Moore, Dennis Johnson rookie, Cam Newton, man, I like this man. Matt Flynn, who is forever going to be a backup. Dez Bryant, Frank Gore, Arian Foster, Fitzgerald, man, with him and Carson Palmer, they're pretty good. Brandon Marshall, got him on my fantasy team. Deshaun Jackson, DT, got him on my fantasy team too. And whatever that is. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Wait, this is that song though.
This one?
Yeah.
Why?
Because, well, I'm just have you heard it before?
No. I seen it was like a new song.